Hey, wake up, homie. Hey, wake up, nigga. Hey, get him up. Hey, we gotta get the fuck up out of here, homie. No, we gotta leave, nigga. Hurry up. Come on. Man, don't you hear these motherfuckers? Nigga, hurry up, nigga. Yeah, come on, run, nigga. I'm out this motherfucker. Get my shit, homie. Go. What you scared of?
The monster.
The monsters?
The monster.
The monsters, what's it gonna get you?
Yeah.
Okay, boom.
America's nightmare, young, black, and dangerous. Hit a nigga with the blue steel or hit him with the stainless. Leave a nigga brainless, never is it painless. Woke up in a cold sweat, forehead soaking wet. Looking out my window, up and down the street. One hand on the curtain corner, the other clutching my heat. Watching out for the Cheenies or Jack boys in the beanies. They trying to take my cheddar with a Ruger or Beretta. Hope I never go back, hope I never have to kill again. You wouldn't understand that, you something like a Gilligan. Do you know who 9 Millie is? Or a Heckler and Koch? Them the two motherfuckers introducing you to burial plots.
All you got to do is stand there and keep the heat on this motherfucker, homie. He ain't gonna do no moving around on no shit like that, cause that's battery acid up under him. You know what I'm saying? I'ma go in the next room upstairs and shit. If this nigga move, shoot that motherfucker. I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance. I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance.
I'm your motherfucking nightmare. 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 I'm your motherfucking.
Okay. Aim for the heart, ran through the dark. Hit the back gate with the Babylon coming. Bang with the park, swim with the sharks. They still behind me, so I'ma keep running. Run for like 45 minutes before I got winded and sat in the alley just waiting.
Here they come.
Check for the run to my gun and thought about my escape when
Flashlights.
calling my face and somebody yelling, fuck the nigga, tase him. And that's when I faced him. And all of a sudden everything went blank and shit. Help me grab this motherfucker, nigga. Drag him over here. On the other side, drag him over here. Hold up. Get my keys, nigga. This motherfucker. Yeah. Help me lifting me here, homie. I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance. I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance.
I'm your motherfucking nightmare. 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 I'm your motherfucking.
Who the fuck is he? Nobody know him, I think he's some kind of a myth or some shit. Who was against me? Who was all with me? Don't know when you really up into this shit. People that you think you know will betray you. Your mama, your daddy, your bitch, or your friend. All I can do is just sit the fuck back and strap up and wait for all the shit to commence. Maybe I've been a little too nice with the knife. I'ma slice niggas up on the rilla. Wait for you to go to sleep. You wake up to the heat, then blow your shit right through your pillow. Hit him with a human Godzilla. And this ain't just music. I'm really so sick of this shit. Niggas ain't got my name on the name. I put it down. I'ma just start shooting up shit, hoofing up shit. Come in your house, take a shit in your mouth. Pure disrespect. Hand me the scalpel, slice the motherfucking Adam's apple
out your neck. Lay it in your mouth.
I know what the hell I'm in there, I know what the hell I'm in there.
So, you know what?
Who are you?
I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance. I'm your motherfucking nightmare. Under your bed, giving your children scares. But it ain't no song and dance.
I'm really there.
Or maybe I'm the one with the gun outside the stove, waiting for you to hit the door. Ever dance with the devil, a nigga, then here's your chance.
I'm your motherfucking nightmare. 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 I'm your motherfucking